Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my client's take out and wash routine. Her hair is very long and it tangles very easily, so my aim is to make the process as painless as possible for her. I'll first spray some of my detangling formula on her braids before undoing them. The last time I braided her hair, it was very dry and tangled. And no matter how much different hair products I tried, it didn't make much difference at all. So I am now experimenting with my own formulas to see how it works on her type of hair. So when undoing braids, you need to make sure that you have a sharp tooth comb to pick through the rows. If you can't find a sharp tooth comb like this, a tail comb would work even better. So start picking from the very end and move all the way up. Don't skip over any of these knots, because if you skip a knot, the hair will become tangled. So just take your time and work slowly. It can be a long process, but it will become easy for you and for your client if you do it properly. And as soon as you take one braid out, try to comb out as much as possible before undoing another braid. Because if you don't do this, then once you are finished, the hair will become extremely tangled. Hence why I spray the hair with a detangling formula to make the process easier, and the longer the formula stays in the hair, the easier it will become. So you can try this for yourself and see how it works for you. So now that all the braids are out in this section, the next thing I will do is put the conditioner in first to detangle the hair, and I will do the same thing for each section before shampooing her hair. And this might come across very strange to you guys right now at the moment, but when I am working with children, my aim is to always make the process as painless as possible. And for each child, I have to create a different strategy. And after years of practice and understanding each individual needs and the type of hair that I am dealing with, I have created my own hair formulas from my own knowledge and research. And I am currently experimenting on different clients with different needs and different type of hair. And the results so far has been looking very promising. And although I can't give out any information on my products at the moment, there are plenty of advice I can give in terms of how to manage your hair much easier. So please follow me on Instagram if you have any questions. So now that I have conditioned and detangled the hair, I will now proceed to shampooing the hair. I have to apologize, guys. I didn't get to record the washing process because of some technical difficulties. So please use your usual washing method until next time. So now that the hair is shampooed, it looks soft and detangled, but I'm not finished as yet because my client has very sensitive scalp, so I still have a long way to go before achieving my goal. So I will now add my leave-in conditioner so that I can braid the hair and leave it to dry naturally. I am just gonna put a few jumbo plaits in the hair, and you can also do some jumbo twists or the 2-strand twist if you don't know how to plait. So now I will leave this to dry naturally while she plays outside. I never use a blow dryer or a heat dryer on any of my clients if I have the choice of drying the hair naturally. Now that she's playing outside with the other kids, I will give her about 2 hours before I have to take the braids out and add the grease to her scalp. Now I can take a little break from myself as I am at home and the guys are jerking up my favorite chicken wings. Up. So finally, I am ready to take these granny plaits out and add some grease to her scalp. Now that I have added the grease, her hair is looking super soft. It's well detangled. I can put my finger through it. I can put the comb through it. It's really nice and it looks moist. Usually her hair is very dry and flaky. So I'm very happy with the results that I'm seeing right now. Usually when I braid her hair, it will last for an entire month before I have to take the hair out and wash again. So please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on a thing. Also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with the channel. Finally, drop a comment down below and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now, and I hope to see you guys on my next premiere.